Hello class, good afternoon. Our topic for today is identifying and classifying angles that you can find on page 272 to 274. So first is the parts of an angle. So we have the starting ray, the terminal ray, and the vertex. Okay, where the starting ray and terminal ray meet. So this one is the vertex. So in naming angles, we use capital letter. One letter is for the vertex and the other two letters are for the points on each side of the angle. So the sides are the two rays that form the angle. So the common endpoint of the two sides of an angle known as the vertex of the angle. So this one is the two ray, NB, NC. So the common endpoint, this one is the vertex. So we name this angle as angle BNC, or in symbol BNC. The vertex is N. So we have a device used in measuring or drawing angles, and that is what we call protractor. So from 090 to 180, the unit is degree. So you can see this one. The unit we use in angle is degree. So to measure an angle, follow these steps. First is align the center of the protractor with the vertex on the angle being measured. So make sure that you should align the center. This one is the center, this below this one. So this at the bottom where the 90 is located, that is the center of the protractor, and it must be aligned with the angle that you're going to measure. So align the starting ray. So this one is the starting ray, the zero mark. Align the starting ray along the base of the protractor. So the base of the protractor is in 0. So you have to align the starting ray in 0 degrees. Next is follow the markings on the protractor from 0 on the starting ray to the terminal ray. So this one is the starting ray 0 and our terminal ray is this one. So as you can see, the measurement of this angle is 90 degrees or right angle, because from 0 to 90, that's why the measurement is 90 degrees. The number on the protractor that contains the terminal rays is or tells the measure of the angle. So that's how we measure an angle using protractor. So we have kinds of angles. First is right angles. It measures 90 degrees. Less than a right angle is an acute angle. It means less than 90 degrees is acute angle, and greater than 90 and less than 180 is an obtuse angle. For example, 105. 105 is an obtuse angle. In acute, 36, 81, those are acute angles. So these are the examples of the types of angles. Right angle, it forms 90 degrees or square type. acute angle, this one, and obtuse angle. Next is how to construct an angle using protractor. So first is, what angle are you going to construct? So we will construct 50 degrees and it is an acute angle. So the first step is use ruler to draw a line and label both ends of the line. So A and C. The second step is align the center of the point of the protractor with the vertex B of the angle. So you will draw B at the middle and align 0 on the arc of the protractor with line AC. So you should align the 0 here. The third step is from 0, mark the protractor, mark here 0, rotate counterclockwise, okay, counterclockwise, and mark and locate 50 degrees. Where is 50 degrees? This one is the 50 degrees. Okay, so we already locate the 2 points and we name it D. Then this one is C and B. After that, you may now connect this part. Okay, in the fourth step, use a ruler to connect point D to point B. Then the 50-degree angle is done. So that's it. That's how we draw or how we construct angles using protractor. For your activity, answer explore on page 275. Take a clear photo of your answer, send it via private message, deadline January 12.